nagsalita na si Biden na ibaba nila ang Russian crude oil. Hello, welcome, what's up? Thank you for the like, my friend from UK, Workout Academy, UK, London pala. What's up, thank you for coming. So, I just see the news na that's it guys. Check it out, shout out, thank you for the like. I love it. A good friend from London, UK lang. Ganda ng katawan nun guys. Deke naman. Thank you for the like. So, yun na nga. They will ban the crude oil in Europe. Yummy. Sarap naman. Bakit naman? Kung ibaban daw ng US, hindi, binan na. Sanction. Ang Russian crude oil. So, stop na sila. Napakalaking ano yan, parusa sa kanilang taong bayan. Even though na US is one of the main supplier of crude oil, but I don't think so. They are also one of the consumer. So the effect will be to the citizen of United States. So ayun, nagmahal na yung gasolina sa kanila. Nevertheless, nakita ko sa isang article na most of the European country are take the crude oil from UK, from Russia. So the effect will be very big. Isipin nyo na lang, kung mawala ng supply sa Russia, tataas ang presyo. O, napahirap. Ang maapektuhan tayo maliliit na country. So, baka naman pigilan nyo na yung away. And then in the one interview or one press statement, the Ukrainian government or the president asked stop ng chicken joy. Make a shout out guys. Welcome. Stop ng kwentuhan habang kumakain. Pwede kayo magbaba ng link dyan guys.